Hello, class. Behavioral Intervention, Redlands East Valley High School. Mr. D is this class. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is show everyone how to present a PowerPoint presentation, how to create one. The important reason why we have to do this is eventually when you get to college, you're going to be asked to do PowerPoint presentations. Also, for any kind of job opportunity, you will also be asked to do PowerPoint presentations. Basically, what a PowerPoint presentation is, for those of you that do not know, is it's just a presentation showing maybe even graphs, photos, progress in your job or your schoolwork, or even a school project that you just have to do. So we're just going to go to show you lightly how to set everything up and then go from there. All right, so really simple stuff, not as intimidating as it seems if you've ever seen one. PowerPoint does a fantastic job of setting everything up for us and giving us some templates. So first thing we're going to do is just kind of go to pictures right over here. You want to start your PowerPoint presentation either with a picture or you saying something. So let's just go ahead. Let's start by saying raise nature photos. So what I'm going to do is do my PowerPoint presentation on nature, and what I actually want everyone to do in the class is their PowerPoint presentation on some kind of nature photos or places that you want to visit. I want you to get a good idea of the world and try to see places that you really want to visit, because there are places outside of Redlands that are absolutely fantastic. All right. So we're going to start off with raise nature photos here. I'll put in a picture that I've already gotten off my computer here, just to save a little bit of time. All I'm basically going to do is just drag this here. All right. Now the great thing about PowerPoint is they give us a bunch of design ideas right over here. So I could do this right over here, or I could do one of these guys. Could even do this one right here. And then I could put places I have been. For you guys, you can do places you have been, you can do places you want to go, whatever it is. I just want to open up your minds a little bit and get you going on some travel ideas or even just some goals, because a part of this class is for you guys to set yourself some goals in here. All right, kind of like this one. I might just stick to my original plan here. All right, so that's the first layout. The next slide, we're just going to press new slide right up here. Maybe do another photo from our browser. And then this guy will pop up right over here. And these are pictures I've already set on my laptop. And I'll show you how to do that in just a moment here. So just take this photo. I'm going to drag it along here. Once again, this is going to give me some ideas. This is a place I visited in the Dominican Republic. And so I'm going to put Lagoon of the Dominican Republic. Right over there. And I could do several things. I do like this layout the best though. Once again, I'm going to go to new slide. We're going to do, I'm just going to show you how to get a picture off of Google. So we can go ahead and do like something like Angkor Wat, Cambodia, images. Go right over here. I'm just going to right click this photo right here. I'm going to press add image to photos. And then quite simply close out of this, go to picture. The photo should be there. Let's see what this does. There it is. Pick whatever kind of slide you'd like. I like this one because it doesn't really darken it. And press Angkor Wat Cambodia. All right. So we're just going to do 3 slides for right now. So the way our presentation looks at the moment is very simple. We're just going to go to slideshow, play from start, and then it just looks like this. Raise nature photos, places I've been, right click, this is a photo, and then this is a photo. The slideshow is over. Now to add any kind of transitions, we'll go ahead and do some transitions here. So that's what they'll look like if that photo pops up, or that one. I personally like the flash to start off. So we're just going to do that. Once again, that's just under transitions right up here. That's all we're clicking on is transitions. Click on the next slide. I press transitions here. And then do maybe some random bars. Or I could do a shape. Or a fall over. Boom. I like the random bars for right now. And then we'll do our next slide here. And then we could even do like a crush like that if you guys like that. Peel off. Kind of just taking it away, a drape. But for mine, I like maybe the fall over. So we'll just keep it like that. Now we'll go ahead and preview the whole slide, or no, it's just previewing the actual one slide. So we're just going to go to slideshow, play from the start, and that's the way it's going to look there. Alright, so class, what I want you to do is go ahead and create, let's say, 7 slides of 7 different places you want to go. It's a big world, you can go anywhere you want. Just create some slides. I want to see you be creative. Anywhere you want to go, nothing is impossible. We will discuss more in class when we get there if you need any more help, and we'll figure it out from there. All right, make sure you practice at home. Bye.